What up, everybody? Happy Samsung Day. So today is Samsung released officially all their stuff in stores and online. I know a lot of people already got their stuff early, but I did not pre-order it. I just went to Best Buy, did an online pickup, and I went and picked it up. It was available in store. I didn't have to wait or anything like that. So let's get into it real quick. I was thinking about getting the actually navy blue one, but they didn't have it, so I got the silver. So I'm hoping I like it. Let's see. So I had the Z Fold 5. So I want to see what the difference is between that one and this one. Right off the bat, I can tell that the camera lenses are a lot bigger. I picked up this case. This has like a hand where you can put your fingers in it to hold it while you're using it. And it also has a stand. I didn't get the pen with the case because on my Z Fold 5 and on my S24 Ultra, I never use it. When I get bored, I do take it out to play with it a little bit, but it's not something that I use or need, so I kind of skipped that on this one. Man, right off the bat, real good feel to it. A matte finish on the back. As you can see, those camera lenses are huge. They're a lot bigger than the other one, than the 5, to be honest. Okay, let's peel this off the front. Right away, I don't see a difference in terms of how wide the front screen is, but maybe when I turn it on, it might feel different. I know the physical size of the screen in front, in terms of the phone, is the same size, but I know that they made the borders a little bit slimmer, so they did slightly enlarge that screen on the outside, but you probably can't tell until you turn it on. Nice little peel off the front. I can see the crease down the middle. If I put my fingers across it, actually you don't feel it too much. If you press down hard, you might feel it, but just moving your finger from left to right, you don't really feel it. You can see it more than you can feel it. You have that under screen camera sensor right there. So when you turn the screen on, the pixels will kind of hide that in the background so you don't see it. You have the volume rocker. This is the little window for the 5G and the, I think, ultra wideband little sensor so they could transmit signal in and out. Fingerprint volume rockers, like I said. On the other side, it is nothing, pretty clean. You just have a SIM tray right there. On the bottom, microphone Type-C and your speaker grill. You also have another one up top and a couple more noise cancellation mics. It feels pretty good in the hand. Not too bad, not too heavy. I believe this is titanium now, just like the 24 Ultra. So let me see if I can peel this off. So it should feel lighter, but feels pretty nice. Let's go ahead and power it on. Hold that lock button right there. See if it has some juice. I'm hoping that's the power button. Yep, there it goes. All right, so it's powering up. On the bottom here, you get nothing, just a little tray. In the box itself, of course, you don't get any charging brick or anything like that. But you do get a couple pamphlets, some paperwork, I think a SIM ejector tool and a cord. I'm not going to take that out because who cares about that. Get started. I'm going to put in my information in because this is boring, this step to you guys, and then I'll show you guys the home screen. All right, guys, so we're all set up now. I got through that whole setup process. Let's go and unlock it. I got the Raise Awake, put my fingerprint on it. I set it up how I want to set it up. That's pretty much the icons I normally use. Nice little background. Most of the widgets that I use. Got the Google feed on the left. Pretty fast. I changed the animations already to where I wanted it at. I set everything up. I put everything in folders. This I can move over to utilities. And man, dude, this has just been a fluid experience. Really good. I tested a couple of the AI features, really good as well. The drawing and, you know, changing your photos to 3D cartoons and stuff like that. So pretty decent. I'm gonna put it through its paces, test a couple things out, probably play some Xbox Game Pass. I want to try to Steam Link because I got a lot of PC gaming that I do. I want to see if I can do it on this as well. You could download the Steam Link app and just, I assume, just feed over your games from the PC. So I'm gonna do that. But this is pretty much how I set it up. These icons are called Gradient. If you're looking to download these, really clean. You could also get rid of the icon labels if you download Good Lock. And Good Lock, there's a lot of extras that you can do to change the way your phone operates. So Good Lock, I added the theme park to change my icons. I changed my switcher to this view right here. Instead of the cards, you got all these different cubes right here. And then I got rid of my icon labels. Just for a clean look. I like a really minimal clean look. It's just very fast. Every time you press something, it's fast. I mean, of course, this is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, latest for the Z Fold 6. This was in the S24 Ultra. So yes, it's gonna run fast, but it's great and a great experience so far. Like I said, once I set everything up, it just feels good to use. I have the case on it. Case is really good. Put your fingers through here to hold it one-handedly real good. And then the front screen's really good as well. I set that up. So just really good altogether, man. This phone is great. There's been many videos about this, so I'm not going to go into detail about how everything works. I'm sure you guys have seen most of it. But this is how I set mine up. I'm going to keep using it. Like I said, I'm going to do some Game Pass and some Steam Link. Probably some Android games from the Play Market, and then just see how it goes, man. But I'm sure it's going to do great. I think I'm going to make my next video on the gaming. Like I said, I'm going to run Game Pass because I think Black Ops 3 just came out. So I'm going to run it on here, see how it is, as well as probably Steam Link. I'll try that. And then we'll see how it performs. The other thing that I'm hoping that it performs well on is battery life. So the Z Fold 5 didn't have the best battery life. This, if I'm not mistaken, has the same battery size cell as the previous Z Fold. I think it's a 4400 milliamp, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong. But it should get better battery because of the more efficient chip that's in this one. So we'll see how that goes. But other than that, like I said, just wanted to show you guys my setup. I'm done with it. This is what I ended up with. And I'm just going to keep messing with it and figure it out. So thank you guys for watching the video, of course. Drop a comment down below. But as always, have a blessed day. Peace.